Effortless e-payments for HDFC corporate accounts with Busy. Hello. Are you an HDFC Bank corporate account holder? Then, you'll be happy to know that with the latest update from Busy, you can now directly initiate your e-payments. This means you can now manage your business transactions even more efficiently without any extra steps. This update can save you time and make your financial processes smoother. Let's take a look at this smart feature in Busy. First, we need to configure it. To do this, go to Administration, Configuration, Features and Options, Accounts tab, and Enable ePayment option. Next, modify a party master and enter the party's bank details like bank name, account number, and IFSC code. After that, open the HDFC Bank account master and enable the ePayment option by selecting Yes. Then, click on the Configure button. Here, you will specify the client code, and the remaining details will be autofilled by default. Let these remain as is. Now, let's add a payment voucher. Select the party and bank, then save the voucher. Next, go to Administration, Utilities, ePayment for HDFC, Generate file for payments. In this window, specify the required data, like the starting and ending dates, for the period you want the ePayment file to be generated for. Select the instrument type, through which the payment will be made. Then, specify the ePayment file path, that is the location where you want the file saved, using the Browse button, and click OK. The details will be generated based on the specified data. Now, select the vouchers for which payments will be initiated and click on Generate File. The file will be generated at the specified path. Now, log in to HDFC Corporate Internet Banking using the Maker account credentials. Enter the OTP and click Submit. To upload the file, click Initiate. Here, enter the client code, select the business product, and choose the ePayment file generated by Busy. Then, click Submit after entering the OTP. Review the details and click Confirm. Now, you can check that the payment file has been uploaded and is awaiting approval. Next, the checker account will log in to approve the pending files. Select the transactions, click Authorize, and approve the payment. Once the payment is successful, follow these steps to download the response file. Now, return to Busy and go to Utilities Upload Status from Reverse File. Use the Browse button to select the response file you just downloaded. You will see that the vouchers have been updated successfully. Now, if you check the payment vouchers, you'll see that both the instrument type and instrument number have been updated. So, as you can see, this smart feature in Busy will help you handle your business operations in a more professional way. To purchase or upgrade Busy, contact your nearest channel partner or call us at this number. For informational videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.